Making clothing on Roblox is an awesome way to express your creativity, and it could even earn you some Robux. However, Roblox clothing designing is not going to be something that you master overnight. It takes a lot of hard work and dedication, and it's just like any other art form. Another important note is that it does cost Robux to actually upload your clothing designs, so you need to have at least 10 Robux if you plan on uploading anything. So the first thing that we want to do is search for a Roblox shirt template. Then we want to go to the images section, and then we can click the second option here that has the transparent background, which is that checkerboard. And then we want to right click and we click save image as, and we want to just save it in our downloads folder. After that, we want to go to this website called Photopea. This is a fantastic Photoshop alternative that has pretty much all the same tools, except it's completely free. So once we go to photopea.com, we can click the Open from Computer button and then select the download that we just had. Now, as you can see, it has imported our template here, and we can start designing. So the first thing that we want to do is we want to go down to the bottom right corner and click this little button that says New Layer. That way we won't be designing on this background here because it's just important that we don't mess up that initial template. And then once we have a new layer here, what we can do is we can drag it down below the template. So now if we press B and we start drawing, the lines are not going to go outside. So let's say we want to make a simple long-sleeved shirt. It's actually pretty easy despite how hard the Roblox shirt template makes it look. So what we want to do is open a new tab and then search for shirt texture. After this, we go to the images section and we find a shirt texture that we really like. For example, I really like this pink one. So what we can do is we can go ahead and save image as, and then we can go back to Photopea and click File, Open in Place, and then find the thing that we just downloaded. Now, as you can see, you can move it. You can do anything with this shirt texture. But what we want to do is make it big enough to cover almost the entire shirt. Since it's going to be a long sleeve shirt, we'll have the sleeves end probably right about here. Because as you can see, the Roblox is telling you this is the right arm and this is the left arm. These little spots down here are the hands, and so you want these to be blank unless you're creating something that has like gloves or something. So after we do this, you may notice the torso is completely covered. However, in shirts, there's always a space for your head to go in. So what we want to do is zoom into this torso section right here. We want to click the E button, which stands for the eraser, and we want to erase a little line here. And if it asks you to rasterize the layer, you say okay. We want to create a little line here that is going to show on the front of the avatar, so it's actually like a shirt. And then we can zoom back out here. And if you notice that you want to draw something, or if you want to add another image, we can select this empty layer up here, drag it above the pink, but still below the background. And then we can select the B button, which stands for brush. And then you can change the color if you click this little black thing here, and you can use a hex picker. And then we click OK. So let's say I want to draw a red heart. That's pretty bad, but it is a red heart. So that's going to show up on the front of the shirt. Now, I'm just going to keep this shirt very simple. So it's just a pink knitted long sleeve with a heart on the front. And what we want to do is export this. So we go to the top left corner, we click File, we click Export As, and then make sure you select the PNG option. After this, you can select Save, and it's going to download that. Then we can get to uploading our shirt. Now remember, I mentioned before, in order to upload the shirt, you have to have at least 10 Robux in your account. If you don't have that amount, Roblox will not let you upload anything. But if you have those Robux, you want to click the button that says Create, and then you want to click Dashboard, and then you want to click Avatar Items. Then you want to click Classics. Now make sure you don't select Classic T-shirt, you select Classic Shirt. After this, we can select Upload Asset, And we can upload our pink knit shirt. We can name it Pink Knit Shirt How To, and we can change its description if we want, and then we can click upload. Again, uploading this asset type requires 10 Robux. Are you sure you want to continue uploading? And you say yes. As you can see, we have uploaded it and it looks like this, exactly how we designed it. So what we then want to do is to put it on sale. So we click the icon here and then we click the switch that says on sale and we want to set a price. Once you create a shirt, it's automatically going to be available in your inventory. However, if someone else looks at it, they can actually purchase it with their Robux. And that's how to make a shirt on Roblox. Don't forget to like and subscribe and feel free to leave a comment down below if this helped you out. I wish you the best of luck in selling your shirt.